What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. Damn, I was so mad I just missed it. I was sitting at a red light on a different street, and this older guy is like, oh my god, do you mind if I take a picture? I never get the good stuff on camera, I swear. If I literally kept this thing recording all day, I'd probably catch the best moments, but I never catch all the good stuff on camera. If only these GoPros could work like 24 hours, you know? If only. But yeah, I wanted to ask you guys, anyone in Florida, this is specific to anyone who's in Florida, well, South Florida, if you know any place that does hand wash, or it could be touchless, like with the machine to just spray down the car, wash it, whatever, right? Does anybody know any places in South Florida that, just have to merge over real quick, but does anyone know any places in South Florida that are pretty fast and get the job done pretty good? Because the place I go to right now, I've been going to them since I moved to Florida, and they're pretty good, but I'm noticing like they're progressively getting worse. I mean, they still treat my car with care, make sure it's good, but it's just like, I don't know, the service isn't how it used to be, if that makes any sense. Like, I feel like before the service was a lot better, but now it's like a lot of people are complaining. I see, you know, drying off the car, they always leave like a ton of wet spots everywhere. So it's like the service that I used to get before is not like the service I get now. So I'm hoping they can either go back to that or at least try to get a little bit better. I did go to a different car wash that was touchless, but ever since I got this aero kit on the car, now the car is super low and the car can't fit into the track. If I find a picture of what I'm talking about, you know, those ones where you put your tire in and then you put the car into neutral and then it guides you throughout the whole car wash, that's basically how it is for me when I went to that car wash. But now that I have the kit can't even fit onto the track. The one time I did try it, the car almost got stuck, so I had to reverse, make everyone else back up. Like, it was a whole thing. So yeah, I don't know, I'm trying to find a place I can go to that doesn't have that track and is touchless, so I could be in and out, you know. Another problem with the place I go to currently, they do everything, vacuuming, do the windows, wipe down the car, like they do a lot of stuff. But the problem is, since they take time out and do that for every single car, every time you go there, you're spending at least 30 to 45 minutes there, minimum. So it's like, I need a spot that's just a little quicker, that I don't have to spend all day there. I can just go in and out. So if anyone knows any good places, I mean, I've gotten some recommendations, but it's not the same. It's a lot of those places like aren't what I really am looking for, so it's a little bit tough. This guy trying to come back over. But yeah, it just makes it a little bit tough, a little bit. So but yeah, I don't know why it's so hard to find a good car wash. Like, and to me, I mean, I kind of understand why those car washes have the track. It just makes the job easier, right? If everyone could just put their car into neutral and then the car wash does the rest of the work, then it's perfect. Like, it's better for the car wash, right? As a business, it's much faster that way. So I get it, it makes sense, but at the same time, it's like, I need something that can just get this job done and not have me there all day. So if anyone knows any spots in South Florida, please let me know. I don't care if I have to drive a little bit further. If it's worth it, I'm going. So I'm gonna do what I have to do. Oh, you blasting that Spanish music. I never know what they're saying in that Spanish songs, but it sounds so good. And detailers, please let me know if you guys are experiencing the same thing. These detailers are charging crazy prices. Like, I remember when cleaning the inside and the outside used to be like 35 bucks. Now minimum is like 50. I'm like, jeez. Even ceramic coatings and PPF and like just the price of everything just keeps going up and up. It's like, damn, when is everything gonna just take some time to just go back to normal? Like, it's just crazy, man. It's crazy.
Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in it. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slap every nigga in the face. I really might tap this nigga on my face. LCC, let it slap to the base. I used to save hoes with a mask and a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like the sauce in the watts. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. My tie song.
Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you guys for watching this video. Thank you.